Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to change Facebook template. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, all you have to do is to tap on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you gotta make sure that the account that you're using is your page. You can check that by the profile tab. Make sure that the profile picture and the name of the page is the one logged in. For the next step, all you have to do is to tap on the profile of your page or tap on your page and you'll be transferred to this screen. And this screen, as you can see, this is the page. And to change the Facebook template, all you have to do is to look for the ellipsis button. This right next to edit. And by the way, since this is a new page, I won't be able to change the template, but don't you worry, I will still teach you in where to find it. As for what I've mentioned, all you have to do is to look for the ellipsis button, this right next to edit. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, this is where you'll find the template that is your page is currently on. And all you have to do is to tap on edit and you'll be able to change the template of your page. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.